Today we are going to see how to make these line arrow animations. Make sure you stay until the end because I will use these animations in my upcoming videos. So don't miss the edit, okay? And do like and subscribe. Now let's start. So if you're on a cut or edit page, just come to Fusion page, shift space and write PG, short form for background. Click add or enter. Then you will get background and media out together. Right click on these three icons and guides and show guides, and then control G. From control G you can do it. Now click on background node and add another background. Same way, add a polygon node to the background. Shift space, right polygon, PLY and add it. Change the color of background to yellow. You can do it from here. Click on polygon and create a line. Click on shift and for straight line. Now we cannot see the yellow line because border width is 0. So slightly increase the border width, increase or decrease how much the thin or thick the line you want. And then you can choose this square or round shape, whatever you want. And then it animate this line. Okay. How do we animate? Using the length setting. Click on the keyframe here and then how much you want to animate. 30 frame. Click again. Then on first frame, I'll do this. Let's see. It's a bit slow. So we'll come in the keyframe section and select only selected ones. Come here. Click on this icon to zoom to fit. Drag this. Now we'll add an arrow. Shift space S star. Yes, this is not an arrow, but just wait for it. Add an S render. I'll add one more merge node here and now S star. Click here and write 3. Now, why this is not showing you? Because this is in background. That is behind this background. So click here, merge and control T. Now I got in the front. So now I'll show first it was like this star shape. Now I'll get triangle. Either you can size from this border width or you can do this from width and height also. But this you will get this weird shape. So you have to, this was easy, but I will show you this also. So you have to create an expression and add this in height. See, you decrease the size, whatever you want. If you want, you can also change the star color. Now, how you will change the star color? Go to style and change from it here. Click this eyedropper. Keep clicking it, okay? Don't leave. And this is, we got the same color, okay? Now I'll animate the star, okay? We go to polygon. Here, remove this, right click and publish. That will publish the path of polygon. This line which we have created. We'll add another node which is transform. So shift space XF short form for transform node. Add this. So this will be here and this will be come here. Now in transform node in the center path which goes left, right and all. Right click on center and click on path. Modifiers tab will be open. Then click on modifiers, unclick this keyframe, uncheck this keyframe. Then right click here and connect to this and value. This is connected. I'll show you in a second. See? So click here is equal to and expression add. Now what we'll write here? Again we'll go to polygon, tools and length. Now, when we hover over this length, where bottom left, polygon 1 dot right length shows. We write that text in your displacement expression. So we wrote polygon 1 dot right length. Okay, we got this animation. See, triangle size to this 20 frames and I'll add a keyframe. Okay, we'll do the dash animation. Just keep this side here. Add paint node to this polygon. Which paint node? Not normal paint node. Add mask paint node. Showing this here. So click on polyline stroke and we get this. Right click here and connect to this polygon. Spacing. Then decrease the softness. You'll see this. And then click on polygon. You'll get this paint mode. Click here and click on minimum. So you'll get this line thing. You want more space. Again, come to mask paint and type how much you want. You'll get the same animation button dash line animation. So in my upcoming videos, I'll use these animations and show you advanced animations. So make sure you like and subscribe so don't miss it. And if you have any doubts, you can write down in the comments below. I'll try to answer it. You can check my other videos here.